Hello students, I am Sanjay Sharkar, your sports teacher. Today we are going to learn the shot put, putting the shot which is included in chapter 4. Okay, so let's start. Shot put is a throwing event. Okay, it is a in athlete field and track and field event. It is a throwing event. So today we are going to study the shot put, how to throw. Shot put is one of the track and field event in which a heavy spherical ball, usually made of the metals like iron or brass. Okay, the shot put is made of iron or brass, is a like a ball, and athlete have to throw it, and the maximum throwing we will throw the maximum, his point or his score will be high and he will be the winner. Okay, so let's start. At first we will know about the ground measurement. Okay, shot put sector. At first this is a one ring, one circle. The radius of the circle is 1.067 meter. Okay, from here the radius, and the diameter of the circle is 2.135 meter. Okay, from here to here the distance is 2.135 meter. Okay, and beside the circle, both side, two indicator line is there. This is called the indicator line. Okay, indicator line. The measurement of the indicator line is 0.75 centimeter, 0.75 centimeter, and this side also 0.75 centimeter. Okay, and this is one angle, throwing angle, this portion. It is called the sector angle. It is 34.92 degree. 34.92 degree. It is sector angle, and this is the throwing sector. This area is throwing sector. For the purpose of throwing, athlete will throw the shot put in this sector. If suppose if they are throwing this side or this side, it will be invalid. Okay, it will be disqualified. Okay, so now we will know about the shot put measurement. Okay, shot put. Okay, shot. The main weight of the shot is 7.260 kg. In kg, okay, 7.260 kg. Circumference of the shot is 110 to 130 mm, means 110 to 130 mm. It is the circumference like this. Okay, and weight is 7.260 kg. For women, weight is 4 kg, 4 kg. Okay, and the circumference is 95 to 110 mm. Means 95 to 110 millimeter. Okay, now we will discuss the rules of the shot put throwing. Okay, at first athlete cannot use his or her own shot. Suppose I am having a shot and I want to perform with my own shot. No, it will be invalid, it will be disqualified, it will be not allowed. Okay, at first the organization and the institute of which shot is given to you, and with this shot you have to perform. Okay, so athlete cannot use his or her own shot. Okay, shot should be held by one hand. We cannot hold it with the two hand and throw. Okay, the athlete have to hold the shot in one hand. Okay, and athlete have to place it on his or her the collarbone like this, like here. Shot should be put on the collarbone. Collarbone, this is our collarbone. So we have to place the shot here. Okay, now after holding the shot, this is the holding technique, and when the referee will call you or call the another athletes one by one, at first announce will be there. One official is sitting here with all the documents, paper, name, etc. Then he will call the one by one athlete, one student. Suppose first he called the one student and he entered the circle, and after that he is holding the shot near the collarbone, at all the posture he is maintaining, and after that he will throw the shot put in this direction. Okay, suppose I am putting the shot, because because we are calling this putting the shot, not throwing the shot, because we have to release the shot from here, and if I raise my hand, this will be the throw. Suppose if I am taking my hand behind the air, okay, here, then it will be the throw, and when I will put it something here, and after that delivering my hand forward, it will be the putting, because we are putting like this, not throwing. Okay, then athlete have to put the shot in this direction. After putting the shot, if athlete cross this line, indicating line, means suppose I am throwing the shot this direction, and after that I am coming out in this direction, okay, in this way, then it will be the invalid throwing, disqualify. Okay, athlete have to enter in this way behind this indicating line, and after throwing he have to come back with this line, with this side. He can't enter this line in this way. Okay, not in this way, not in this way. Okay, he always, or he or she always come to throw in this way, and after throwing he have to go back this direction. Okay, this is the throwing. So now we will describe the how many chances every athlete can get. Okay, if the athlete is more than 8, then the chance will be 3. Suppose in this tournament the 15 candidate is there, so it is more than 8, so every student, every athlete will be get the 3 chance, only 3 chance. Okay, first chance, if they miss, they can get the second chance, and suppose they can miss the second chance, they will get the another more chance. Okay, the total number of chance will be 3. One student will get the 3 chance if the candidate is more than the 8. Okay, if the less than 8, 6 chance will be there. Suppose candidate is 5, less than 8, then every candidate will be get the 6 chance. The chance will be 6. Next, the top 8 athletes, 3 more chance will be given. Suppose at the final position, okay, at the final round 8 candidate is there, then official or the umpire will be give the 3 more extra chance. Okay, so the 3 extra chance is there for top 18 candidates. Okay, now we will discuss the official. Okay, how many official is there? One chief judge is there. One chief judge will be here. He will declare that throwing is valid or not. Okay, it is successfully throwing or not. He will declare. Next, 2 measurement judges. 2 measurement judges. One is here holding the tape and he will measure the throwing distance, and another judge will be there, and they both will measure the distance of the throwing. Okay, next is scorer. One scorer will be here. He will maintain the all point or score. Okay, and the next one is time judge. He will record the time within how second he is successfully attempt the throw. Okay, and next is announcer. One announcer will be here, and he will announce the measurement of the each candidate. Suppose candidate A is has throwing the 30 meter, 18 meter, 17 meter, like this. Okay, so the announcer will be announce the record. Okay, now we will come to the method. which method we can throw the shot put. First is orthodox style. It is the simple style. We can call it simple style. Second is peregrine. Peregrine means gliding style. Okay, we should glide our body, and after that we can throw. And the next is disco putt. Okay, someone tell it the disco put. Okay, disco putt method, it is also called the rotatory method. Okay, so student, this is the little information about the shot put. When we will go to the ground, and after that we will discuss more in very practically. Okay, so till it, thank you, take care.